Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off app notifications on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to turn off app notifications, so let's see how can you do this. The first step is that you just have to look for app at your home screen, as I'm going to turn off WhatsApp notifications. Just keep a long press on it, then tap on info icon, and here you have to select notifications, and this setting will be shown. You just have to tap on it to disable app notifications. But if you won't get these settings here, you just have to do a second step, which is open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll to the notifications, tap on it, and here you can see the apps of your phone. You just have to tap on newest, then select all apps. In all apps, you just have to disable notifications which the app you want, and I'm going to disable this one. So just tap on it and disable the settings of notifications. So that's how you can easily disable or turn off app notification on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.